My name is Tugnisinze Innocent, and I'm the in charge of Nyanja Health Center 2. We want to thank the Bugarama Hospital management and staff for the services that they have offered to the people of Nyanja Parish. Because people of Nyanja Parish, they are very happy. We ask these people from Bugarama to always come and offer us services because we still need many services. We thank you and we hope to see you once again.
I'm Philip Agaba. I beg to remove my mask. I work at Bugarama Hospital as administrator, where we offer a wide range of outpatient and inpatient services, both diagnostic and treatment. We offer these services on site and an outreach, where outreach gives us significant opportunity to have dialogue with the community and help to reach out to the conditions before they can worsen. During outreaches, we do screening and basic treatment of the common ailments, and for the patients that we are identified that we are unable to manage on outreach, we refer for further management. Either they will come to the hospital or to any nearby hospital for prompt treatment. I extend sincere appreciation to Heart Sounds of the United States through Professor Richard Pulis, who have made this possible to reach out to these people in Nyanja community, where on 2 encounters we have seen over 200 patients with eye and dental conditions, and the support and finance that has been given to us through Heart Sounds of the United States, we have managed to treat these people without charging them, and they very much have appreciated this. And looking at the average cost of services with these people, it is very convenient for them, and they have really been requesting for even more activities with them, as it enables them to continue to do their work in their communities as the hospital reaches out to them. Outreach services are particularly very important in the situation of COVID-19, where in Uganda we have been under lockdown in an effort to overcome the scourge and prevent further spread of COVID-19, and offering outreaches in the community gives an opportunity to reach out to these people where they are, because they are unable to enjoy the movement, the public movement. And for that matter, we must appreciate that continuing to offer these services can make a successful endeavor in achieving good health of our community. So I very much appreciate it. I thank the District Health Office of Kabale and the health service providers in Nyanja Community Health Facilities, and also the hospital staff who have gone out to extend the outreach services to the people. I must say that the community of Nyanja are very much appreciating the service, and they are actually requesting for further partnerships, and I appreciate that this partnership will enhance good livelihoods and welfare of the people and promote the development in their daily activities. I thank you very much, and I look forward to further interactions with Heart Sounds, with Professor Pulis, and I appreciate very much what you're doing. Thank you.
My name is Lion Dr. Gilbert Mateka, Medical Superintendent at Bugarama Hospital, also a member Lions Club of Kabale. As Bugarama Hospital, we offer services to the community. Among the approaches we use is going out to the communities to be able to meet their needs where they are, because otherwise we wouldn't afford the cost of coming to the hospital. We'd like to appreciate the Heart Sounds USA for supporting our activity of going to Nyanja community, where we are taking eye care services, dental care, reproductive health, and other services. It is through partners like you that we're able to offer these services to many more communities. We thank you, and you continue to support us, and we promise that we shall use the support as it ought to be used. Thank you.